Hi there. Hey, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and this is Thriving Thursdays, where we take a mindful approach to nourishing not only your body, your life. And often I'll give you a little lesson on things that make you super healthy, like GMOs or sugar, or things that don't make you healthy actually. But tonight we're gonna cook up one of my favorite dishes. It makes your mouth and your taste buds pop. You've heard me talk about when you savor your food, you savor your life, and life just gets juicier and delicious. So tonight, let me show you what we're making. We're making pumpkin cilantro enchiladas. But this isn't really an enchilada. I did it open face because I like them better that way, with lots of vegetables and pumpkin seeds, garbanzo beans. These are actually vegetarian, but you can make them with meat as well. And I'm going to show you how to make them, and I'm going to give you the recipe. So let's dive in. Let's cook up some really good food for you. And if you really like this, hey, you want more recipes? Click on over to my website, grab my cookbook, my gluten, sugar, and dairy-free cookbook, and check out my programs where I really help you to transform your relationship with food and life. So jump into the video and watch and enjoy and make these for yourself because they are so dang delicious. And today we are making one of my favorite dishes. This is a enchilada, but a little different. It's not your tomatoey enchilada. It's a cilantro pumpkin pesto enchilada, and the flavors just pop. You will love this. It's mouth-watering. It goes together really fast. It is vegetarian, but don't let that stop you. If you want to add a little chicken or beef or pork to it, tofu, whatever protein you want, that totally works. So we're going to get started. You can see I started it by sauteing up some onions, just a white onion, and I cut them long ways. And then I have some red and yellow bell peppers that I'm throwing in, and I'm going to stir that up. And the recipe didn't call for this, but I really want to talk about it because I believe that you need 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. And so wherever you can get more vegetables, you got to go for it. So I'm adding some zucchini, just long strips of zucchini, and I'm going to stir that in. So there we go. So then we're going to put in a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little salt and pepper, and I'm going to stir this all together. And like I said, it's vegetarian, so we're going to put some garbanzo beans in. And I buy BPA-free canned. I don't make them myself. It's a lot of work. But I buy organic canned BPA-free beans, and I throw those in, and then I just let this simmer up. And in the meantime, we're going to make the 2 salsas that go with this. So our first salsa is a pesto pumpkin salsa. And we put our liquid ingredients in the high-speed blender first. So I'm putting some olive oil in, and then the more dry ingredients, this is just a bunch of cilantro. There we go. But the secret is pumpkin seeds. Now, pumpkin seeds are really great for you guys. They're great for your prostate. And for women, they're loaded with zinc, so they're great for hormonal balancing. So we're going to throw in a little bit of pumpkin seeds, and I think I did like 1/3 of a cup. Some cumin, great for your digestion. It smells so good. Some turmeric. The seasonings are what make your dishes. You gotta spice up your dishes to make them fabulous. And I am a spicy girl, so I'm putting in some jalapenos, but don't put in the seeds because you'll be sorry. They're just way too spicy if you put in the seeds. And along with that, I'm gonna put half of this garlic in the salsa, and I'm going to put half of it in our saute here, and then I'm going to stir it up. And the last ingredient that I'm putting in the salsa is just, this is a lime juice. So I'm throwing that in, and I'm going to blend it up. Here we go. Let's blend. You might need to add a little water to this So I'm just gonna grab some water and throw it back in. Be right back. Whoa, this is great. Oh, and I smell it. It is so, so good. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good on top of these enchiladas. So we are going to just fry up one tortilla, and you can make these in the oven as well. I have this cooking. This is actually with just a tiny bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna let this cook a little bit longer, our little concoction here. And we're gonna mix some onions with some tomatoes for the tomato salsa. Now you could put in here, you could put some lime juice or some lemon juice, but I kind of like it just like this. Like I said, it's so fun to improvise with whatever you're making. And you might want to salt this a little bit, but make it to your taste. Whatever you love is how you want to make your food, okay? Because it's really about getting things to taste delicious. Because when you savor your food, you're gonna savor your life. So I'm just gonna let this cook up a minute. I've got my tortilla, and these are not flour tortillas. These are cassava tortillas. Now I am allergic to corn. Some of us are. In America, 95% of our corn is genetically modified. So corn might not really agree with you, but these cassava tortillas, they agree really well. Usually they're in your refrigerator section. I got these at Whole Foods, but you can get them wherever you buy your food. So all I'm gonna do is take my cassava tortilla, and these are cooking up, they're looking really good. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and throw it in, but making sure I get a little bit of everything. The zucchini, the onion, oops, grabbing it, got it. You want it to look really, really pretty. Now often I roll these like you would an enchilada, but in this case, these tortillas are really small. They do make larger cassava tortillas, and in that case, you could make it bigger, but just get a little bit of everything. And you can see I'm having a little trouble with it. So I'm gonna use my spoon and grab it and grab some more. Oh, doesn't this look delicious? And the flavors are fabulous. So it smells really, really good too. So you've got that. I'm gonna put some tomato and onion. These are raw, so they have really great flavor. And then on top of that, I'm just going to put some of this pesto sauce right on top of it, and I'll pour it on. Look how beautiful this dish is for something that you can whip up really easy, really quick, and delicious. So check it out. I have the recipe for you, and just enjoy it. Savor your food, savor your life. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And if you want more recipes like this and to really get healthy and well, hey, click on over, click down to my website, check out my programs. I'd love to help you to really renew your energy, rebalance your hormones, and love, love, love your life. More importantly, I teach you to love yourself. Come on over, join my programs, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.